Press in keyboard Shift plus F10 in the keyboard and command prompt will open up. Type here start space ms dash cxh colon local only and press enter. And now you can type your username. I'm gonna type my name and skip this thing guys. Select the next option and it will continue without password. So choose a different username. I'm gonna rename it and select next. If this display looks like this one, then right click on the desktop and select display settings. Scroll down, display resolution. Select where monitor's native resolution. In my case, 1920 in 2080. Select keep changes option. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.